Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to Genic Education. In this video, I am going to explain how you can upgrade the course. Suppose you purchased one course, EE full course, PD 1 year or EC full course, GD 1 year, whatever the product you purchase, and you want to upgrade that course because the course has expired. So in that case, what amount you have to pay, up to what date you will be able to upgrade. These all things I am going to discuss in this lecture. First thing you have to do, that is go to Genic Education website and log in there. Okay, after login, go to my account. See here, this is the my account. In my account you will see three section: my orders, upgraded orders, and account setting. Okay, so in my orders you will see the product which you have purchased. Suppose this is my account. Okay, here I have purchased the three product with different order ID 8554, 8702 and 12923. Okay, just to show you which product you will be able to upgrade and which product you won't able to upgrade. These all things I'm going to show you here. See, first you have to understand this note. Okay, so note, it is written the exact validity of your course you can see in player setting of video player. What do you mean by this? This means, see here, I have purchased one product 8554 and this is doubly full course PD 1 year which is having validity 28 Feb 2021. Okay, but if I will see in the video player, then the date may vary. It may be 1st March 2021 or 10th March 2021. It will be greater than this validity. Okay, so what you have to do, just go through the JEDIC video player which you have installed in your Windows laptop and see the permission setting. Here the permission setting is there, so click on this. You will get the exact validity of the player. Okay, so till which date you can be able to upgrade. See here, upgrade course, there is one button, upgrade course, and it is written that last date to upgrade the course is 20 March 2021. What do you mean by this? Within 20 days you have to upgrade, or below which you can upgrade. After 20 days you cannot be able to upgrade. That is the main concern, and that I want to explain you here. Okay, in the same way you can see the individual subject is also there. Signal system, I purchased this, and but here upgrade is not available. This means you cannot able to upgrade. Same way, double E combo GD 5 months, last date validity is 24th October 2020, and take 20 days more. 24 October plus 20, it will be 30th November 2020. You can be able to upgrade the course before 30 November 2020. Okay, after this you cannot be able to upgrade. How to upgrade the course? Watch this video. This video I am making, same link will be provided. If you click in on this button, then you will go to this video only. Okay, now in order to upgrade this course, what you have to do, you have to click on this button, and the validity of this button is 20 days before after the date of expiry. Whatever the validity of your course, take plus 20 days. Till then you will see this upgrade button. Okay, after that it will, you cannot be able to upgrade the course. Now in order to upgrade the course, suppose I want to upgrade this EE combo GD 5 months, then what you can do, just click on upgrade course. You will see one option, select a duration. For 1 month it is this amount, for 2 months, and for 5 months we are giving 3 option for combo course. Okay, so just click on 1 month, click here to proceed, enter your credential here, then click on pay. Okay, you don't have to enter username here and password here. You don't have to do this thing. Whatever the card or net banking you are putting here, just click on this and proceed to pay. From where you can see that whether your course is upgraded or not, that I am going to explain you. Okay, check out here, go to my account. After after the payment, you will see that EE combo GD 5 month, the course has been upgraded here, and upgraded orders. In the upgraded order section you will see EE combo GD 5 months is upgraded, and its validity is 13 December 2020. See, old validity was here, I think 13 November 2020. Now for after 1 month upgradation, it will be 13 December 2020. Got my point? In this way you can upgrade the course, and I would like to request, kindly check out after clicking this upgrade course, kindly check out what is written here. Read carefully before upgrading your course. You won't get any pen drive, hard drive or G drive link. We will only upgrade the validity of the video player. So read all the note carefully before proceeding further. Okay, so in this way you can upgrade. Only you have to keep in mind that what is the last date to upgrade the course. Okay, after this last date you won't be able to upgrade the course. You have to purchase the new product. Got it? For any doubt you can comment below, or you can call on our registered mobile number. Thank you.